Doing it. Yeah. Uh-oh, it's slowing down. Oh! And he's stuck again. Oh my god.
That is so funny.
He's gonna keep trying it.
What is this chick doing?
Oh gosh, she's gonna go
What is she
instruct him.
doing?
Oh my god!
I'm taking pictures of her now.
Oh man, look at the run up he's got now. Uh-oh, here it goes.
Do it.
Reaching Mach speeds. Oh my god, she's gonna run out.
Oh my god, I thought she was gonna run out.
There they go. Oh!
He's hauling it now.
Wow.
Dude, look at the amount of snow in between the cars.
Yeah. Wow.
That's awesome.
He's gonna do it again.
I would love to be the one to drive during this.
Yeah, right? Oh my god. Is this what they've been doing all along?
Probably. I don't know how else they'd get through it. It's thick.